Happy birthday, Uncle Don!
Happy 60th birthday, Don!
Welcome to the Senior Citizens Club. When you come back to the Philippines, you will have a 20% discount in foods and drinks, and plus 12% VAT free. So a total of 32% when you eat and when you buy medicines. So welcome, and hope that you will enjoy your senior citizens benefits when you come back to the Philippines. Don, when he was in high school, he was so responsible and independent. When our parents went abroad to work in the hospital, because my father was a doctor and my mother was a pharmacist, Don was all alone together with Darling in Manila, and they were so responsible in their studies, and they were so diligent. And when he finished his studies and went to Norway, he was the one who also supported our parents in Manila. Don is a very generous and thoughtful person. If ever he comes to the Philippines, he always bring many gifts and presents to us. I like especially the necklaces and the chokers from H&M. Hindi siya pumapalya for giving us presents or gifts every time he comes home to the Philippines. So Don, we are looking forward to seeing you this year or next year when you come to the Philippines and enjoy the senior citizens benefit. Happy birthday, and we love you very much. Take care.
You better watch out. You better not pop. You better not cry. I am telling you why. Romy and Bebet are coming to Norway. Happy birthday, Don!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pa! I have a message for you that may be a bit metaphorical, but I hope you can understand it. You've been the steadfast tree that never stops giving shade, even when the winds of life have worn you down. Your hands build our shelter. Your voice, a compass that never forgets to say, "Be safe." We may sigh at your constant worry, but deep down we know it's love stitched into every word. As the years grow gentle around you, we pray time stays kind, keeping you strong, steady, and surrounded by the same care you've always given us. You are the quiet miracle in my everyday, the blessing I never have to ask for. To let you know we love you, I love you, and that in every universe, in every lifetime, I will choose you to be my father again and again. And I've always been grateful to have you as mine. Love you. Happy birthday again. And stay safe.
Hi Papa, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo na sana laging malakas ang pangangatawan at sana lagi kang safe dyan sa kung saan ka man naroon. Sana iwasan mo ng overthinking mo at lessen it. Thank you for all the sacrifices, and we really appreciate you in everything that you do for us. More birthdays to come. God bless you always. Again, happy birthday. Love you. Ingat lagi. Thank you, Dido, Sam, and kids, Kuya Alex, Ate Cookie, Axel, and Rona. Thank you. At kumusta sa inyong lahat?
60th birthday, Manoy Don Dionisio Roa Misiano. Sana masaya ka, 60 ka na kuya, tumatanda ka na. Good health, happy birthday. MBTC.
We are on air.
MBTC.
And welcome to